Bob Holmes from Kahr Customer Service. We've had a few customers that have had issues with their P380s and PM40s, specifically in the area of feeding. And what we found those issues to be is excessive recoil absorption. So the purpose of this video, a very quick video I might add, but is to show you how to properly hold the pistol to keep the muzzle down. If you keep the muzzle down, reduce the muzzle flip, you won't have the recoil absorption and the gun will perform flawlessly. We're first going to start with a P380. I'm going to shoot the P380 and then I'm going to shoot a PM40. So with that, let's go. So maybe the next time you're out shooting, if you are having these issues, feeding issues with your gun, maybe have someone take a video of yourself and see how much recoil you're absorbing. If you're keeping the muzzle fairly flat and you're still having a problem with feeding, please give us a call at 508-795-3919. Thank you.